back to my channel. My name is Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. Welcome back. Today I have a special video for you. I'm reviewing 3 of the Wigo lace part wigs, and this is the WigTypes brand, so you can get them all on WigTypes. 3 lace part wigs, all in the same color, which is the OP99J. I said I wanted to start reviewing some, darker colors and some colors that are more popular, because you know me, I like a crazy purple or like a random blonde, but not everybody likes that. And since I'm trying to make videos for you, I wanted to do that, and also just spread my wings, because this is my channel and I have all these wigs, so I want to mix it up. These wigs are in 3 different lengths. We're going to start shortest to longest. I'm going to review them and then give you my final thoughts, and I'll do all the blah blah blah, how much, Scooby and Dooby. So let's just get into it. The first one we're going to do is Jina. Jina says that she is a naturally plucked C-shape part wig, extreme side deep part. Oh my god, so many words. Natural plucked part, soft lace, comes in a few colors, not a ton. And I have her in the color OP99J. The color here is actually P1B/30. So I scooped Jina up from WigTypes for $17.31. So let's get her. So this is Miss Jina. She sort of has not a curl, like a beachy wave situation. You can see that lace parting, plucks, spacing looks nice on that. Is a darker root and then ombreing down to the 99J, which is what that OP means. So let's look at her cap construction. She has the lace parting, 2 combs in the front. The one thing I love about the Wigo wigs is they do have this strap already in there, which is super nice. And it does still have the 2 adjustable straps and also the comb in the back. All right, let's get her on and see what we're working with. Okay, so right away, the wig cap is very, very roomy. So this is large head friendly, or those of you who want a larger wig cap. I'm looking at the ear tabs. It's the bendable ear tab, so that's really cool. She's definitely a left-sided part. The strap is super nice and comfortable. Ugh, really like this color. My. This is the cutest. The one thing I love about lace part wigs is I feel like they're super easy to sort of plop on and go, or if you're late for work or whatever. Okay, let me get her together. I don't think she's really gonna take that much, and then we will come back and talk about her. That didn't take anything. I put a little bit of powder in the part, but honestly you could have gotten away without doing it. I think the color is stunning. I used a comb on this just so I could keep that beachy wave. I have found that between the brush and the comb, it does comb curls and waves out a little bit differently, so it's really just a preference. Usually I don't like bangs in my face, you know that, but these are not really that bad. I think because they're longer and they're sort of sticking over to the side, and you could just do an easy little one of these. This would be definitely a nice daily style or one for work. It's probably about 16 inches, maybe 17. It's a light yaki texture. I'm getting a little bit of shedding, and normally I would say that's from cutting the lace, but there's no lace to cut, so I'm not getting a ton, but I am getting a little bit of shedding. And that's going to be a pro, that you don't have to cut lace. Just slap this on, maybe put a little powder in the part, and you're all good. You really could blend in baby hairs nicely. I laid down the top part a little bit. That's my preference, but some people do really like this sort of bumpiness, this really heavy swooped bang, and that's awesome. That's just not my style. So let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, I love the movement. I think the density is really nice. She'd be super cute in a little low pony like that. Oh my gosh, this is definitely something that I would suggest. Under $20. It has the strap, the adjustable strap, and also the elastic band already in there for you. I think it could look so cute and effortless, and just yeah, I look cute every day. Hello. So far I'm loving Jina. Okay, so as you can see, different background, different makeup. Unfortunately, some of the clips for this video were corrupted, so I'm re-filming it, which is annoying, but it is what it is. So I have already worn these wigs. I've already done everything, so you're not going to see the last two wigs straight out of the package. The second wig that I'm reviewing today is Wendy, and she's in the color OP99J because those are the colors that I'm reviewing all the wigs in. And this is a C-shape part wig, extreme deep side part. This is a lace parting wig, not a lace front, and I got her from WigTypes as well for $17.31. I have a love-hate thing with this. It didn't take much to get together. The color is stunning. I don't mind the left side parting. This is my thing. This is the style, so it's not that it's a problem with the wig, it is the style. This bang is supposed to be that bumped up bang, so there's like extra, if you can see, there's just like extra fullness in here, and I just particularly don't like that, but I know a lot of people do. And the nice thing about it being sort of thicker here for the bump up is that you can kind of set this hair where you want it, spray it down, and it will stay. I just don't like that particular style, but I mean, it is pretty. This is all the hair to the front. It is a different texture than the first wig that I reviewed. This is more of a yaki texture. It's thick and curly. This is all the hair to the front. Great density, great density. I really love this part of the wig. It's maybe 20 inches. Let's look at her from the back. This is her from the back. See, there's a nice full density. Movement. Kidding. I do really like the wig. I love the texture. She's going to tangle a little bit with this texture and the curliness, but I don't see her tangling that much, to be honest with you, so long as you keep on it. I just don't, you know, I don't like stuff on my face, okay? That's all there is to it. I did take a little bit of heat to this to just bring down the bulk a little bit, but if this is a style that you want, especially for $17, lace parting wigs are so easy. I think they're user-friendly, especially for someone who's newer to wigs. I definitely would suggest her if you like the style. So that's what I say about Wendy. Let's move on to the last one, and I believe her name is Boss. Okay, so this is the last one I have, and this is Boss, again in the color OP99J. This is a C-shape part, and she was $19.24 from WigTypes. I think I said in the beginning, but I'll say it again. Wigo is the WigTypes brand, so you can only get them on WigTypes. This is the same texture as Wendy, much longer. She's probably 22 inches long. Same density, same beautiful density. This is all the hair to the front. Again, love, hate. The color's gorgeous, the texture, the curl pattern, everything absolutely I love, everything. Except for, I just don't like this heavy bang. I think it's too short. I feel like it should be like just a little bit longer, but that is the style. It's not like it's not the style, it is. I just don't particularly like it, but I wanted to show you what it would look like because I know some people do like it. This also is one that comes with the elastic band, which they all do, which I think is great. I just want to see if I can shift this a little bit. So where these tabs are, you could shift it a little bit. I like it so much better that way. You can't really shift it much past here just without cutting the ear tabs. Like you could cut the ear tabs off. I'm rocking with this chick much more, yeah, like this. And I'd have to spray these bangs back. But if you love this style, this would be a great wig. It's less than $20. The quality is gorgeous. You know, that elastic band stuff, usually that's like only in your higher end wigs, and it helps with the fit, the security. So it's a gorgeous wig. It's beautiful. It's just not my style, and that's all there is to it. If you love this wig or if you like this style, I definitely suggest it. Those are my reviews on 3 of the Wigo brand wigs that you get from WigTypes, all under $20. So that's exciting. I do have 2 other ones that are in my Wigo playlist that you can look. Nova and Jew, I think I have. So you can look up those. If there's another Wigo wig that you'd like me to review, please put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.